everyone! Welcome to Factiboi! Some facts sound too crazy to be true. Like, there's lightning that shoots up towards space, not down. Or that unicorns are the official national animal of Scotland. Yep, real facts, not myths. Stick around till the end, because the last one will completely change how you see history. Let's dive in! You know that a group of owls is called a parliament. Just imagine them sitting around a big tree, debating important forest issues in total silence. Truly the most respectful meeting you'll ever attend. Think a country famous for bagpipes and castles would pick a lion or eagle as its symbol. But no, Scotland chose the unicorn, a mythical, pure and powerful creature that symbolizes strength, freedom and nobility. Yes, unicorn is national animal of Scotland. The planet in our solar system spins counterclockwise, except for Venus. Venus rotates clockwise, which means if you lived there, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Basically, Venus is the rebel of our solar system. You've seen lightning strike down from the sky, but there's another kind called red sprites. Lightning that shoots upward from storm clouds. They're in glow, a ghostly reddish-orange colour. Scientists thought pilot are hallucinations, until they were finally caught on camera. If you gathered all the gold ever mined in human history, it would fit into a cube, just 22 metres tall, about 72 feet on each side. That's small enough to fit under the Statue of Liberty's arm. No, there's a real phenomenon called ball lightning. Glowing spheres of electricity that float through the air during storms. Sometimes they drift right through walls or windows and vanish silently or with a pop. Scientists still can't fully explain how they form. It's like a living ghost made of energy. Here's the bonus fact. When the Great Pyramid of Giza was being built, mammoths were still alive. A small group survived on Wrangel Island in the Arctic Ocean until around 1650 BC. So while Egyptians were building pyramids, mammoths were still roaming the earth. History just got a lot weirder. Oh! Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. And if you love learning new things every day, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because I've got even crazier facts coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.